Hey guys, good morning. Ken here. Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to give you another update on my progress. As you know, I've been rebuilding my eBay store from scratch. And as of yesterday, I finally got through my entire inventory of 7,500 plus cards. And I ended up with about 2,400 that I relisted back on eBay. And all the rest are in boxes right now and tubs that I've got to go through, and I'm going to be putting those together, as you know, in 1,000 lots, and I'm going to be selling those off at a really reasonable price. Okay, and usually people who buy 1,000 lots are not looking to just collect postcards; they're looking to resell them. But anyway, yeah, just wanted to give you that update on this. It's coming along nicely. I'm very happy with the cards I listed back on eBay. I listed them at great prices. Some a little higher, some a little, some I still have at my lowest price point, which is 575. But most of my sales are between 775 and 1475, and there's some that I listed at 1975, and a few a little bit higher. But there's a good variety, good mixture in there, and you're still going to get the same outstanding customer service that I provide all my customers. I've always had the philosophy and the belief that I treat every customer like they were my only customer. That's how important you are to me. And I will do everything I can within reason, to make it work for you. So I just wanted to update you on that I will be doing a couple more videos because before I started this project, I did buy a couple of small lots. And they're sitting there, and they've been sitting there because I've been working on this project to try to redo the store. Oh, another thing I wanted to mention too, I wanted to give you an update on my status, my seller status. I was going to do a video on this before, but I did lose my top rated seller status, unfortunately. I lost it for this past month. I had 4 defects on my count because of the fact of that computer glitch that forced me to have to cancel 4 transactions in a week, where before I hadn't even canceled 4 in like 4.5 years. But they all came in 1 week, and that's what caused my seller status to drop to above standard. And it hurt my sales. I mean, when you get your seller status dropped, it really hurts. Good news about it is I challenged that decision. When I got the notification that they had dropped my status, I found out you can challenge that, and I did, because I didn't think that was fair. I mean, I had like 3 or 4 in 4.5 years, and because I had 4 in 1 week, it hurt my account, my metrics. So I challenged it, and I wrote to eBay for Business on Facebook, and I explained to them I kept the emotion out of it, and I just gave them the facts. I gave them screenshots that proved it was a computer glitch, and they sided with me. They came to the determination that, yeah, this was a bug in our system, as they put it, and they removed 3 of them. I had 4. They removed 3, and the only reason why they couldn't remove the 4th one is because they said it was too old. I mean, this was like back in late October of last year, so they couldn't remove that one. But it improved my metrics so much that my store is about to be reevaluated tomorrow, May 20th. My store gets reevaluated every 20th of the month. And right now it says it's in good standing, and if it were to be evaluated today, that's the phrase they use, that it would be top rated seller. So as long as nothing else goes wrong between now and tomorrow, I'm probably going to get my top rated seller status back, which makes me feel really good because I've worked really hard at maintaining that. So I'm glad they sided with me on that in that case. So sometimes you got to challenge things, sometimes you got to just challenge the status quo and see what happens. It doesn't always work out, but this time, in this case, it did. Like I said, I showed them proof. I told them about one listing where one of my cards got listed 3 times in the same hour, the same date, the same time, the same keywords, the same price, the same everything. Nothing was changed. And it was all, 3 listings of the same card. So that kind of, made their eyes open up a little bit, and they investigated it, and, they sided with me, which is good. Listen, I'm done. I got to go. But as always, if you got anything out of this video, you know what to do. Smash that like button. That helps the channel. It really helps the channel a lot, and I appreciate you guys. And yeah, I'm going to go, but you guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care, and bye for now.